Good morning, Mr. Cummings.
Good morning, Judge.
So you're charged with deadly conduct. You're facing up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On April 11th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a family disturbance call. Officers arrived and met with the complainant, who was ID'd by her Texas driver's license. Complainant identified the defendant by name and date of birth. The complainant stated that an argument occurred between her and the defendant. The complainant stated the defendant grabbed his handgun and held it in his hand as he became angrier. Complainant left the apartment due to fear. Complainant returned to the apartment and contacted the Harris County Sheriff's officers to report the incident. Officers made contact with the defendant. When officers approached the defendant, he stated, quote, "I'm not talking and I don't want to answer any questions." Defendant began to gather his things and grabbed a handgun and placed it in a fanny pack. Officers threw their guns on the defendant, and the defendant stated, "Are y'all going to shoot me? Shoot me then." Defendant complied with verbal commands and was detained.
Is the brandishing of a firearm enough for a deadly conduct? Because does he do anything affirmative? I guess.
So, yeah, and that's, I mean, I would never have a PC hearing, Your Honor. I have to do some case law research, but I can see how it's charged is brandishing the handgun, putting the complainant in imminent fear of serious bodily injury. I think the reason it probably wasn't terroristic threat is because there was no word said.
Right.
It was just grabbing the handgun.
Let's do this, Mr. Cummings. I'm going to appoint you a lawyer today so we can figure out, because, you know, we get down and dirty with every case because I want to make sure if I find probable cause, there actually is probable cause. So let's do this. I'm going to appoint you a lawyer today and I'll have him talk to you and then we'll revisit this PC hearing momentarily. Okay. Just take a seat, but don't leave. All right.